Hello friends, today in this video we are going to see how can we download and install Python. So first of all you have to open your favorite browser, my Opera, so I will open it. So I see my browser is taking some time to open. Okay, so here we are. Now I will search for Python. When I press enter key, then I can see many of them, but I will select the second one, that is Python.org. I'll provide all those links in the description. So when I click on this, my net speed is a bit slow, so it's taking some time to open. It will take to my this link will take me to the official site of Python. Here I will choose downloads and window. So here you can see this is the latest version, but we are downloading 6.6.6. okay, so here are some of those installers which you can install according to your need, but we are going to download executable installer which is of 64-bit. Now it will ask me the place where I want to download it. So let's say I want to download it with the name of Python 3.6. Let's save it. So let's pause this video for the time it's being downloaded. So friends, as we can see, our file is downloaded. So now you just have to click it on this folder, and I can see it in folder. Now if I click on this, so remember after the downloadation part also you just need to that need to be installed. Okay, now you just need to click on install now option, and this is what computer will ask you. Then it will take some time in installing, and so friend, after clicking this it will ask you the confirmation. If you click on OK, then the installation part will start up. I've already done this, so I will not do it. So I will just cancel it from here and I close this box. So friends, this is how after this process you can follow the steps the Python will tell you, and friends, your Python will get installed. And after that, when you will search here Python, so you see here you will see two options. One is Python controlling video and window, and another is Python ideally window. So friends, we will talk more about ideally window in upcoming videos. So friends, this was enough for this video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.